Hi, my name is Shibam Dhar and today I'm going to take you for a dashboard walkthrough of Azure. So basically Azure provides us many web services which can be helpful for our organization, and one can find their favorite tools and plugins on Azure portal just on their fingertips. So let's just dive into it. Right now you can see I'm on my Azure portal and this is the dashboard. First we get the search bar. Under the search bar, you can find all the services, all the things which are present for in your Azure portal. And next to it, we have Cloud Shell. So Cloud Shell is basically an Azure CLI helping us to open up our command prompt and do the coding from the command prompt. Next, we have the notification bar. In case if you are creating any resource or if you are managing something and the thing is under process, you can check through it if it is done or not, whether it is a failure or it is a success through your notification bar. Right next to it, we have our settings. If you click on it, you get to set your directories and subscription appearances. You can change your theme. You can also change your languages, region, and some information related to your account. Now, next, we have the Azure services. So whatever the services are present on Azure, you can find over here. In case if you want to create a service, you can just click here and create a resource, and then you can search for services and marketplace. And what do I mean from that is basically if you want to use, let's say, WordPress, here you can find WordPress server, WordPress web server, WordPress open Lightspeed, and all the things which are present on Azure portal. And here you can also see the categories, and we will get to it again. So and if you want to see all the services, just click over here, all services. Next, you can find yourself having all the services listed one by one under the categories: general, compute, and in networking, storage, web, mobile, and others. On the sidebar, you can also find the categories whichever you want to use. If you want to go through ML, you can check for it. If you want to go through web or mobile, anything, just go through the categories and you will find your resource which you want to use. Next is that all these segments are some of the Azure services which are listed on our dashboard, and such as app service certificate, app service domains. Here you can get your own domain, you can get your own SSL certificate, you can just combine them and your website can be published. Next, we have the recent resources. Under recent resources, whatever the things you are doing or you have done, these all things will be shown here. And then we have navigate. So under navigate, we have four options. That is subscription. Under subscription, you can find that which account you are using, how much credits has been used, and how much credit is left, and all the details related to that. Next, we have resource group. So when we create a service, we first need to create a resource group. Like suppose you have more than 2 accounts and every account has a different subscription. You want to create your resource group according to that. You can just go here and create your own resource groups with specifying their own subscription. Next is all resources. So all the resources or all the groups which you have created, it will be viewed here. Next is the dashboard. On the dashboard, you can see all the virtual machines you have created, all the services you have created, how they are working, and all these stuffs are present in our dashboard. Next segment, we have tools. So under tools, we have again four options. First of all is Microsoft Learn. If you want to learn about Azure for free online, you can surely opt for it. Next, in Azure Monitor, if you want to monitor your app or your service, how is this working and what are the analysis of it, you can check here. Next is Microsoft Defender for Cloud. So as the name suggests, it provides us a defending mechanism for our cloud, and you can check that how to set up the Defender and how should the subscription should work for it and others. Next is our cost management. So under cost management, you can find that if a resource has been created by you, how is it working and how much cost effective you can make it so that you are able to utilize your credits in a more efficient way. And yes, that's it on our Microsoft Azure portal. Thank you.